Right then, ladies and gents, it's Mr Bigz Flavours, and today we're gonna get sticky. We got some barbecue sticky ribs recipe in a slow cooker. Now, you can get any ribs. You can get beef ribs, you get lamb ribs, sheep ribs, any of that. So I went for the lamb ribs today. So as you can see, a kilo of these, lovely. Go to the butchers and they'll hook you up. Let's go to the favorite part. My favorite part now is the seasoning. So you got there's a full cup of brown sugar, got in there, full cup of brown sugar, and I got in here some 3 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 3 tablespoons of chili. You get 3 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of lemon pepper, 3 tablespoons of garlic powder, and you can have just 4 beef, either OXO or beef seasoning, anything that tickles your fancy. And then what I've got in here is 3 tablespoons of soy, 4 tablespoons of cider vinegar, and just a mug of water. So what you do, you get all the spices that I've just mentioned in here, put them in a bowl, mix them all together. As you can see, very straightforward. Put it all together, and that you got the brown sugar in there as well. You got all the seasoning all in there, all mix it up. Yes, getting all that flavor in. And then what you do is you get your spoon and just gently spread it all around. Lovely. And then if you're doing it, you can just listen to some music. Do it with flair, do it with style. And what you can do then is shake it up. Shake it like a shake. And if you want to add some more in there as well, again, shake. And I want you to do all this sort of stuff. Shake. Look at that. Oh, lovely. Look at that. I'm gonna add a little bit more in there as well. Woo. It smells really nice as well. It's odd to say as well, but it does smell nice. All the flavors in there, all the spices. Lovely. So you can see that. Right. That's all you need to do. Set that aside. You get your slow cooker. All you do, you get your soy sauce with a cider vinegar in there. Put it right in there. Your cup full of water. All in there. Nicely mixed up. Give it a stir if you want to. Nice little stir right there. Your ribs. Dash them in there. It's my lid. Put it down on high, 3 to 4 hours. Put it on, let it do its thing. You can do whatever you want to do. Again, fix your nails, fix your hair, wash, have a bath, play some games, Monopoly, catch, do whatever you got to do. PlayStation 5, whatever you got to do. You got 3 to 4 hours to do whatever you got to do. Why? The slow cooker does its thing. So good luck. So that's 2 to 3 hours in already. If you can see that, look at the meat. You can just pick one of these up. It's hot. Look at that meat. That meat is just literally falling off. Look at that. Oh, perfect. Right, sticky ribs, perfect. Been in there 3 to 4 hours. Look at that, beautiful. Now, if you could smell this, all the flavors have gone in there and all that. Now, we don't want to waste none of that. Now, what we're going to do with these ribs, right, we're going to get that little bit of that sauce from the pot. So what we're going to do, we'll put some of that sauce in there. Some of that, if you can remember some of the seasoning when we had, just half a tablespoon of that in there. Put that aside. Get some honey. Put some honey in there. I would say about 3 tablespoons of honey right in there. Get some barbecue sauce, any kind of barbecue sauce. I'd say about 4 tablespoons of barbecue sauce in there. Stir it up. As you can see, it's a nice glaze there. Look at that. nice barbecue and honey glaze in there. So one by one, get your ribs. Nicely done. Look at that. Oh, they're that nicely done. They're falling off the bone already. So just have to be careful, be gentle with it. Pick them up one by one. Honestly, I wish you guys could smell this. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. And what's so good with the ribs, you can go all out, because what you could do, you can also like shred them. You can make a shredded burger with them, baguette. You can use the ribs with anything, any sort of recipe that you can think of. So you get the glaze, dump it up everywhere, get all that in there. Lovely. So what we do now, with all that glazed up, put it in the oven, let that sit there for good 5 minutes. 5 minutes, let the glaze sit and get stuck into there, and should come out lovely. Off, and as you can see, 5 minutes into the oven, and look at that color right there. Look how nice that looks. Easily in there. Get some spring onions for garnishing. Sits there nicely. Just a little bit more of that sauce. Beautiful. And there you have it. Nicely done. And with the ribs, you can have them with chips. You can have them with just on their own. You can have them with rice, white rice. It goes well with white rice. And it's just, look at that. The meat just falls off straight away. Shreds, lovely, flavoursome. There you go. Mr Bigz Flavours sticky wings, slow cooked, lovely, cooked with love. Have a bona fide day.